Hi everyone, I'm Mel Heinz with the NaVetor sales team, and I'm going to show you some of our upgrades we've made to the software for the winter of 2021. Our first upgrade is our lab integration that we've added to the software. Now, as you know, we have IDEX, Zoetis, and Antec. We also added to our lab integrations HESCA. So our clinics are going to be able to have where you can submit from the software, and we pull back the results automatically into the record and into our lab dashboard. Now, another thing that we have added is a Diacom integration. So all the X-ray equipment that you are using with a Steris, we will be able to pull back those results, those images within the record. Let me show you how that looks. So what you'll do, I'm going to go into a SOAP here. In that SOAP, you've got down in the plan an area for those radiographs, and that's where you would be able to submit from here. And then once they've been submitted, let me give you a visual here. So here's where you've placed the order. Then you're able to view from the record. Once you're able to view from the record, you'll then be able to work through each of those images as well as email those to a specialist or even the owner. Keep in mind with the Steris integration, it is a universal integration, so it will work with any type of radiograph equipment that you have in the clinic. We got some exciting additions to our built-in treatment whiteboard. And as you can see, I've got Sinbad. He's been admitted to the hospital, and he's here on our whiteboard. And what you can do, and we've had this is a great time saver where you can go in here. Let's say Sinbad was dropped off for a dental. You can have that dental, drop all the items in so you're not missing out on any of those charges. You also can schedule any of these particular items if you need to. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop in those. The exciting piece that we've just added for the winter is the anesthetic monitoring items. So within the whiteboard, not only do you have all the items that are going to automatically charge for that visit, for that hospitalization, we also have the ability for you to have your anesthetic monitoring items. And you've got several to choose from. You can certainly choose from them all at the same time. It's going to be up to the preference of the doctor. And then also know that you can work on those values. You can even set it to be scheduled, or you can even have it to be reoccurring, which reoccurring is helpful, which you can kind of keep track of, let's say every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes and things like that. So I'll go ahead and just set that. Let me show you here. And this is all customizable. Certainly it will be set by the doctor. And then we go ahead and we can put in our values, and then we've got it on that treatment whiteboard. So when they go and do those types of things, they can go ahead and click right on it and put in the value that they have for that particular patient, and then mark that it's been done. So a great piece that we've added to our treatment board to make it even more robust for our clinics. So another upgrade that we have is when you don't want to miss charges. There's lots of times that you think the doctor put them in or the tech put them in. You can see here on the calendar that I have a dental appointment. And when I check them in for this dental appointment, you actually can have the appointment that once it's checked in to be able to put in all the charges for this particular appointment type. So what I'm going to do is just show you when I go straight to the invoice, how all the items that you possibly would use for a dental is automatically there. Now keep in mind, you can adjust it throughout this visit, add more items to it, but look how quick those charges were put in for this dental appointment without me even having to do anything except for check them in. So a good time saver for the staff, and also helps from missing any charges. Finally, we've updated our reporting feature to help make business decisions easier. For example, you see our profit analysis report. We had a clinic run all their items on their dentals to be able to see if they had the funding to open a dental suite. So it was exciting for them to see how much they were making on their dental side of things, and they were able to know that within 14 weeks, they were able to pay off that dental suite. So truly helpful when it comes to enhancing reports in our NaVetor software. We're always working to make NaVetor work better for you. Those are just some of our upgrades for the winter, and we'll be back with more upgrades in the spring.